0.0.
Good morning, Indy Nation. I'm Cassie Sudis, and this is Indy Nation News.
And I'm Aaron Pepley. Here's what you need to know as you start your day. Let's ride.
Being a hero.
Oh, amazing.
Let's start with some breaking news today. As a bird successfully infiltrated the school building, the bird entered the BAMX doors, and sources say that the bird flew all around, and caused chaos wherever it went. We interviewed Miss Roten, who managed to wrangle the fearless fowl and gently release it back into the wild. Here's
I took my sweatshirt off, grabbed the bird with the sweatshirt, and took it outside and freed it. I was a little scared, then I think it calmed down and realized it kind of didn't have an option, so.
Rumors have surfaced that the bird's name was Charles Birdfeather, but that information has yet to be verified. Now that we know a bird has gone into the school, what could be next? Maybe a squirrel? Then a raccoon? Then a grizzly bear? This has the student body wondering, are we safe? So we sent Sage and Brooke out to make sure all is clear.
This is Sage Jaffe reporting live for Indy Nation News. Happy to report there's no birds in the area. Reporting live from the Indy Nation News team, I am in the main hallway stairwell, and I can report that there are no birds in the area.
In sports news, the boys varsity soccer team defeated Riverbend High School 1-0. The girls team dominated Riverbend at home 9-0, reaching their milestone 100th goal of the year. Varsity baseball also shut out North Stafford 3-0 yesterday, advancing to the regional semifinals.
That's all the time we have for this edition of Indy Nation News.
Thanks for watching, and keep your head on a swivel because that bird is out there and it could be anywhere.